Most people get this wrong when choosing a CRM for their house cleaning business. They focus on fancy features, but ignore the tools that actually help them book more jobs, stay organized, and keep customers coming back. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM is not necessarily the most expensive one. It's the one that fits the way your business operates every day. In this video, you'll learn what makes a great CRM for house cleaning businesses in 2026, the features that matter most, and which type of platform is the best choice for growing cleaning companies. Let's get straight into it. If you run a house cleaning business, your CRM should do three things extremely well. First, it should help you capture and manage leads. Second, it should make scheduling easy. Third, it should automate customer communication. Imagine Alex owns a cleaning company with 3 cleaners. Every day, he gets calls, website inquiries, and Facebook messages. Without a CRM, those leads can easily get lost. With the right system, every lead enters one dashboard where Alex can follow up quickly and increase his chances of winning the job. But here's the problem. Many business owners choose a CRM that was built for general sales teams, not service businesses. That's where they run into trouble. They end up juggling spreadsheets, calendars, and separate invoicing software. The best CRMs for house cleaning companies combine everything in one place. They allow you to create estimates, schedule recurring cleanings, send reminders, collect payments, and track customer history. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One feature that often gets overlooked is automation. Let's say John books a deep cleaning service. A good CRM can automatically send appointment confirmations, reminders, follow-up messages, and review requests without you lifting a finger. That's a huge time saver. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that often creates the biggest return on investment. Before that, let's talk about recurring customers. House cleaning businesses thrive on repeat business. Weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly clients are where predictable revenue comes from. The best CRM systems make recurring scheduling simple and prevent missed appointments. This is where most people fail. They focus only on getting new customers while neglecting existing ones. A CRM with customer history, notes, and automated follow-ups helps increase retention and lifetime customer value. And here's the feature that can make the biggest difference: online booking. When customers can book services directly through your website, you reduce friction and capture leads even while you're sleeping. By 2026, the best CRM for a house cleaning business should include lead management, scheduling, recurring job automation, invoicing, payment collection, customer communication, and online booking in one platform. The goal isn't just organization, it's growth. If this video helped you understand what to look for in a house cleaning CRM, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which CRM you're considering for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.